Welcome back. To showcase modifying or managing these existing templates or the template we just made, let's go back to our home screen. Let's go up here to the templates tab, and any existing templates that you have access to or that you just created will exist here in this dashboard. As we can see, this test template example one is the one that I had just created now 40 minutes ago. I am the owner of this. I can pin it if this is an important one to the top of my screen. I can click in it and it opens exactly like any other project would. What gives a clear distinction that this is a template, it's something that should not be modified by anyone who is not myself or has a deep understanding of this template and the standards that it's supposed to follow, is this defining purple boundary along the outside of the project window. And this note up here stating you are editing a template. This looks and feels exactly like a project, and that's purposeful because we want it to be managed very similarly to projects. It looks like a project, it smells like a project, it must be a project. You've got categories here from the template, product specs, company directory. You've got your fields. You've got different views that were created in the project that you made into a template here. Your same view filter logic carries over. So if we had view filters added here before creating the template, those will have carried along per view. If you had changed column orders or changed field visibility or orders in any way, those would have also carried over or will carry over. Whatever you change here within the template now that it's active is what gets stamped onto future projects that use this template once you save and exit. So this really is how template maintenance works. You iterate on a real project in real time, you land on a better field structure or smarter view configuration and bring those changes back into the template. Then the templates continue to get better and better when your projects do. Improvements to your workflows naturally progress. So does your template, so do your future projects. Progress becomes exponential. A couple practical notes before moving on to the next video regarding access and ownership. You should limit edit access to your company templates. Designate a specific owner, whether that's the BIM manager, the standards lead on the project, or the team, or whoever owns your firm's project structures.
Now, speaking of controlling who has access to your project, works the same way as in live projects. You come up here next to your project name, do the drop down, and you get all these template admin properties you can edit. In this case, we want to look at editing template team. This is how you control visibility access to anyone. If you log into your account like you regularly would to see projects, you navigate over to templates, and if you were to invite someone to this project, this would show up underneath the templates tab of the home screen in layer. So if you wanted to invite someone, you'd either look at the drop-down list or sort via search. Select assign permissions. Editor and owner would have full access, of course, to modifying the templates themselves. Again, super vital to control who has access so that standards are not changed unexpectedly between teams.
The more people who can edit a template like this, the more likely it drifts from the expected standards it's supposed to enforce from the very beginning. So changes should go through one person or a small team of individuals who are in the know. So the next video is going to cover applying templates to new projects and to projects that already exist. See you there.